What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. Thank you for dropping by, thank you for watching. Nolasco here, and this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff. And today's episode, another day in the outlet, so hoping we could find something really good, really something interesting that we can use in our collection, or maybe flip it, sell it, or maybe whatever we could do for this sneaker. So hopefully we could find something really good. So let's move on, let's check out the outlet store and let's see what do they have to offer. Alright, let's start with the Jordan 1 Retro High Blood line, and this one's really cool. I like the colorway, which just like a basic white, red and black, but it's kind of premium to me, but everyone's just passing on this one, but I like it a lot. So next one, another Jordan 1 with the satin colorway, which is the satin gym red high. So this one, I'll pass on this one. It's not like really good quality, so that's why a lot of people are trying to stay away. That's why this one has been returned, but if I could get them for a cheaper price, why not? That retail price, I'll pass for now. See, you can even see if they are really good quality, but not now. So next one, we got the Jordan 1 High Zoom Fearless with the some kind of lacing and red and green. This one is not bad, but also the Fearless pack that they made on this one, I don't know, too much shiny. But oi, check out the bottom. Nice, that one, nice. I like that one too. How about, are you interested in Jordan 13 Retro Reverse He Got Game colorway? Kinda, maybe not. I already had me a Jordan 13. It's not that comfortable anyway, but this one I might be if they are oopsie. Okay, so if maybe they are in discounted price, and today they are not have the discount anyway, so I'll pass for now. Next one, we got the Jordan 8 Retro White Aqua 2019, which is the white varsity red bright Concord aqua tone, and this one's on retail for $190, released July 12, 2019. Nice colorway though, but it is a woman's exclusive, I believe. Price, maybe I'll pass for now. So what is your thought on this lot of Air Jordan retros here, like this Jordan 3 animal pack, and what else? Ooh, what about those? A lot of Jordan 3, huh? Anything, please let me know, leave a comment down below. Next one is the Jordan Why Not Zero, selling for $79.99, and this one probably yes, if they are already had a discount, another 30% discount maybe, but for $79.99 for now, I'll pass. But I like this one, I like the colorway, and probably this one is really good in probably performance wise for basketball shoes. I don't mind the colorway, but performance, I like it. So next one, we got the Air Jordan 14 Retro Ferrari colorway, $159.99. They are still sitting right here. Some of them are still in good sizes. Maybe if they drop also the price, another 30%. Next one, so we got a $99.99 for Lebron Soldier SFG, and this one is made for just for like not during the actual game, so it's like a some kind of shoe that you wear it during relaxed day or something like that. But that's why the color also, I don't like the color. But this one, the color is Lakers colorway though, violet. Who like it? Leave a comment. Next one. So we got a 139.99 with the Lebron, another Lebron. So like the ooh, what's that? It's like a feather, huh? It's the Horseman Lebron, black and white. Next one, we got KD 89.99 for this KD Nike Zoom KD 12. Some kind of white speckle and red, gym red. If you really like this one, you might gonna get them for a cheaper price because family and friends is up, and this one's really be more cheaper for the next coming day. Next one, the Nike Shock. I believe this one's were by Carter, one of those good in dunking in NBA. So he wore one of these during the Olympic, I believe. Please don't don't comment me on those, but I like the colorway though. And we still got Mamba Focus sitting here, $74.99. Some already gone, but the colorway white and gum bottom with some kind of black accent, nice one. Performance wise, I recommend this one because the out trigger on this side, which is really good for the movement when you are doing some crossover, something like that. But if you're not into a low cut basketball shoes, probably maybe, but for me, I like a higher high top basketball shoes because sometimes I get injured on my ankle. So right here, $74.99. Next one, we got the $99.99 of the Air Max 720. I like the marble, some kind of colorway with some kind of clear air bubble on the bottom. And next one, we got a pure platinum or triple white-ish because of the white one. Hey, the red. Ooh, some kind of Iron Man colorway. Triple red, $99.99. Next one, we got a $129.99 for the Air Max 720 Waves. This one is kind of different with some kind of accent of off-white accent because of this orange thing right here. And this one is $129.99. Ooh, this one is like more premium thing because of some leather, as you can see right there. Oh, nice one, nice one. Well, if they had more another discount. Next one, we got the $89.99 for the Air Max 270 React. I wish I could try me this one. They said the good one, hey, $84.99, and the next colorway, this is a blue thing going on. Alright, let's move on to the hash wall or the clearance wall. And we have a 20% off on this one. Check this out. Nice colorway. We got the Air Max 720 Undercover. Wow, nice colorway. We got some kind of red with speckled black with some gray accent with white and black also. And check this out. It says Undercover on the toe box. Some writing here. Make not just clothes. Undercover by Takahashi. Well, we make noise. So what do you think on this one? Next one, and the clearance wall or the hash walls. So we still got the 20% discount. Check out this one. We got the Jordan 10 Retro Tinker, and they are selling for $139.99 with the additional 20% discount. Well, maybe to consider, like the colorway with a lot of blue going on, and just a simple red Jumpman on the back with some top black on the lacing upper and an orange tub and also some kind of orange on the bottom. Well, what do you think on this one? Next one, another good ones here. Nice color, huh? We got the Air Max 720 colorway. We got some price, the good ones, $79.99 with the additional 20%. Yes, and the colorway, more on black with some accent with the lettering of Air on the side. Wow, nice color though. What do you think? Please leave a comment down below. Well, next one we got some Lebron James, and this one is the Lebron 16 low, some kind of and the price is $119.99, and the colorway on this one is really cool. It's just like a Miami Heat colorway. A lot of colors going on here: the blue, the green, the orange, the pink, the LBJ on the back, the swoosh, everything. It is really vibrant colorway. I wish it could be in my size. Well, what do you think? Probably is a good one, huh? Good for summer. That would be all on this video. I hope you like this video. Please leave a comment down below. I'll see you in the next one. Nolasco. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.